Abusia Sam George asaba news ni mu. Wakodi nkomo afa Russia ni ne ho. Russia na betina Ghana ha no be ma no Sam George akan sim afa na medim se na Sam George e ka no. Se na wonim how a Russia for mra esitie de a ama medians apaska. Okoswa o mu ke kon wadwen e kire Sam George se enye de ehie ni. O hweso nya adwuma data band boy de no o ma na mra form. Network enye Ghana ha o ma na stable na wonya Russia Ghana se moka. Me man chire mu no a kire wadwen ama me. Ewa comment section. I have Penyah block media. Make sure say any demo. Obe like video no other ma put subscribe button so na back the notification call the latest update na ba chere wa adwen da ma me ewa comment section so ba so a no share for enya bi ahwe so ye wo grom here ana general ni mu no Russia ni abranti be piem ewa Ghana ha no I say oba for tourism just oba for tourist attraction oba he na ni so ade name o Ghana ha no oba bo anu akon homa but ye so call tourism an kaye emia ho fe na akwa hwe but ono den there a different tourism no ba ye Ghana maya no e no ba tourism e wo omo so just say sorry I no nam street ni so we show baby hi hello how are you can I get your number come with me no akore no hi hello how are you can I get your number come with me no akore no just all there tourism no ba ye no o very Ghana mad ready jabe hey I say you ready what I say e man issue no e be deja on the internet say me buy kwa no Ghana for ni bufu e man na omuwo mu no because how say broni unimu ni bebia bro ntiri ka unimu bebia na we see obi one day pe how are you what are you going what are you doing I'm not doing anything come with me no what dinachi jolly as not no do akwa say even to the point said there was a lady or meeting lady no I saw them omo pony I saw na lady na nkofie kra nkose na tale ordinary tale kro na kopie guy no hotel ema guy no kowe no ema je say ba na Ghana for libu ofu pa on the internet na bi bu ofu ko mo hawa ema ni si treat Ghana for na nkasa wa ha na so man ya foma ho broni a na say man na wicked obutiri mo den because Ghana ni betim be ma betim aboba no ho ka popo ne ho ka osoro so no be fire obi kura no e ya asem sebe there be as on do credit friend no there be on do credit just on friend no obefro bi kura kan ya tem e ya asem sebe e bo achi bi deni but with me share one day per come with me no kwa na say Ghana man na for pa ebi ma ebi for pa enya asem kuma e ma medias ani bre e ba ye
who Ghana ni ba kwa pesa wo kasa ne ho keke hello babes how are you doing say no obesi a che ne ho a kire wo ene say Russia ni broni pete obaye ye fram broni pete ena abaye ni pa fram no agya hoko what's your Ghana ni girl please this is just a talking stage there is no need for me to come over what's your man be one day Osia man one day cream Osia wa wo de kwa person ni dim come so be sia tete ho I don't give my number to strangers I don't talk to strangers send the brain timi sia wo ba wo plans man no my phone is spoiled my rent is due can you please lend me some money kwasia sam sa na no mti kroma girl ba kokra wo friend ko mpo de wutim say any de kwase bronia friend me say we share Ghana ni ba hey the other time ade ba ko share me pa ne say baby am betena me new na komo de me nim baby eton aduan na ge obi twam otie nwom ear piece na so oba ni nyina hello anya say me je ne number me bisa ne say me patcho me new wa ha na me pese me hu baby eton aduan girl na mfi me and I want any my bad video ni bi do apartment wo nyina woni magu ase utimi hu fine girl utimi hu girl be fine adwe da di dirim te se edwie ba shu etiwei se ne ga ne ma nyam kora no a na so wonyama o de be kwa koma ne boy to be wu akola ne half cast wo kan ye say girls ne say de o mo nyanyam o mo didi kama no num nduru se de be akola ne be kokko Russia ni abrante o bansrahwe ene wasra ma be de ho me who ni pebia no motie wasia oba wo penod was talking da bia me come say ade na fe talking stage no eyemra ye hye mahiafo wo betimi asie oba wo ne te wonya ne he another way that a polite way aye ka kire be ma say ye ne wagyae please I need a space need me a penny pa na say ne ntafo ana say na ta and let's break up with the very moment you tell me you need a space in other words in what
na enam so Emma Sam George eso ebemu na Sam George be no kire m say oh ade abranto na be no Ghana ha no de entwa yi babegu ya man animu ase boni bia ni ho say obesi obi pe no beti ase na say oni be ka ehaya no beti ase na boni bia ni ho but the fact say ultimate video yes I post here the disc on the internet no no na gu Ghana animu ase Sam George ka say ne he's on preparation to extradite that Russian guy no or the never be PM or Ghana had no I'm not be facing trial.
The Cybersecurity Authority is one of the agencies under my ministry, and I'm sure leading up to the Christmas, you guys saw the clampdown we did on cybercrime and fraud and all of that. Part of what we do is also to deal with sextortion and child online protection. In this instance, I'm sure you're referencing the Russian gentleman who came into the country. Yesterday, I caused the ministry to send an invitation to the Russian ambassador. I intend to see him this week and have a conversation with him. We're taking a very strong view of it. The individuals involved are not minors. None of them is a minor. They're grown-up adults who made decisions. What the Cybersecurity Authority is interested in, and my ministry is interested in, is not in the moral judgment of the individuals. It's in the non-consensual sharing of the videos that were posted online. That is a crime. It's not a crime to be able to convince a man or a woman to go into your room with you in 6 minutes. That's not a crime by the law. That's a personal decision to make. But it is a crime to record a person without their consent. And apart from, and even when you record and keep it on your phone, and the person finds out and reports to us, we will prosecute you and you go to jail. That's the law of the land. Now, you don't just record it, but you go and post it on a website for financial gain. That gentleman will be looked for. We will activate every resource in our disposal, working with Interpol. The way we've worked with Interpol to extradite Ghanaians to other jurisdictions, we will request the Russian authorities, and that's why I've invited a Russian ambassador, to work with our law enforcement. We want the gentleman to come to Ghana, to be brought back to Ghana, extradited to Ghana, for him to face the rigors of our law. Ghanaian citizens, irrespective of their decision making, will be protected by their government. The government of John Dramani Mahama will ensure that every citizen's rights are protected. And you cannot record a citizen without their consent and air that or post that online. That constitutes a crime under the Cyber Crime Offences Act, the Cyber Security Authority Act, CSA Act 1038 of Ghana, passed in 2020 by Parliament. So we will work on it. We're working on it. We'll be with my Lelu team at Cybersecurity is building a full docket. Whether we have the gentleman or not, I intend for us to file a full prosecution. We'll make a representation before the courts, try him in absentia, and get judgment if he fails to show up. But we will not let this go. I mean, my colleague Minister for Gender has issued a statement as well, because most of these victims were women. But we would pursue this to its legal conclusion and ensure that this never happens again. But once again, to our countrymen and women, we urge caution. We urge caution. I mean, we need to be minded about some of these things and careful. But on the legal parts, we will do our part.
Cyber Security Agency, Ebedina Sem Ewa Ghana Hanomo. Na, Sam George Kasa de minim se na wonim how our Russian formula esitia there concerning bilateral agreement. Na minim se wonim how esitia there. Russian force wo momra. Na Russian formula ne say under no circumstance, anase obi Russian ni aba oman mu abeye bibia, they will watch you say come and extradite him from Russia to your country. No, they will not allow that. Russia doesn't allow that. Also, Bonia, fine, they accept. But Omubema wa trial no in their country. Opa for lawyer, ewo country mo. Ne siu no, dipa court, charge no, ewo Russia honomo. But so Russia for be here was say bra be fa dipa free. Omuma mu no, they don't do that. They don't do that. What I say? They don't do that. Omudiano, they don't protect people for crime, no. But idea omu say, so they were quiet bonia, charge no, or maybe a court to mu, or maybe our embassy, a honomo. Munsiuno, or minimo, or Monfa lawyers, honomo. No money nasem ho. More apply more laws any other day. No more fan charging minimo. A bubonwa, ya didn't tum my name, Russia name. But there's no way Russian be accept to say, brother be fan a citizen, a free name mu fan a bra. No, ebedi nasem, omunya se adwuma no. Net akoba de Sam George kasa na wonim de wo keka. That Sam George nim de wo keka. Na eno ana wusa comedian so na Ghana for na be so Sam George na enya asem kumai.
Sam George tikese. Big body, small brain. Answer would you wishwe any moon with Jimmy. Minister where Jimmy Kura said, dear, Mahama Kwane be you know. Sam George, Ubeka say boo 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 salatani. One minute son wakasa, Sam George. I bet Hanum, and I just say, I am the busse contain, Bema Kosrokobo. I will say, Russia, Nino, we will bring him here. We will do this, we will do talk is cheap. Talk is cheap. Dear here no NDC government and yeah no na mo ye. Aje ye frame mo. Asemu anya issue ye frame mo. E ho na wo ne o mahama no mo de mu hugim. Se mu nim Ghana mra. Se mu nim laws a e wo se Ghana ye de ye adwuma na se ye de ye adwuma. Ankada di mu within Ghana no krampo no. Crime kase we yakoso. What you say yetimi akun a legend. Ewo Ghana mose mra ye adwuma ye hu de ekun no ana de okun no nso so no ntimi yentimi ma mra nchechire no wo ja wo de no ho within Ghana no de akoso no ja to honum akọ Russia akọ chi obi jama witiri bom wo hu Sam George jama mutiri bom side chicks if wo hu nti because eno ana mu de mudidie e ho na mudidie e satisfy mu hu nti no just a side chicks for who aka na kwasie e man obi suma wo mu some man na wo koku am no omo yankola Russia ni guy no ofosu omo ana wo kwakwa na eni say odi obi video obi no mu akro ya akra mu video mu mpranom mu video mu yerenom mu video some man na mo ni omo da ne de wanwan ni wey Say Jimmy Sam na Ghana ma edie no na muntu omufu se omunyai ahyawo bo ahyawo muti wono omuni adwuma bia ye owo adwuma kra na adwe nkoso se ode ne twebebo ahyawo na wo mu hu a wo pese obi free abonti bebu wo ye Ghana ni ba na wo si wo value ho wo wankasa wo ni dignity wo value ho a abonti so ni na bebu Wadi achamo kura it is Sam George pebe bitra na ka kire Ghana fo ma se omu sue nyansa no mu nyansa omu jeje omu ho te sa yi no na gari kura board nche Ghana ni ba gari ne board nche Ghana ni ba abetra say you are going to bring him here and kwana kwachi no o ka so mo Jimmy se Ghana fo
and that's all ya you so na bo Sam George and na media ne so and nsema obeka ebe soli nipa akoma nko an sabi o man yetim na mla wo mu na akoma so da yes citizen yemu te tu de bia mamum bedron na mun keka nsema ebe soli akoma adan ya obi fi Russia aba ene Ghana ni ba Ghana for ma bededa eno arokodo omudi omagu media so enti wonti ase wo throw petition we invite Russia ambassador woni what do you call it? Interpol. Ye da ko se enko chi sa ni panembla. Able kwa kenu ofori atane na mo. Wontimi Interpol fu anye ba kwa nkochi na ma anje o man sika fam bie njuma amageto yitonye bi nye e man na enam se kom na edi omunti na obi from se besin dimechi ni yenkodi ye ho na me ma 20 Ghana omudi echi ombenye juma ye no moja sa abra ne bono eno ne nya o consent na obi onu abe wonu oba abeda na ye o consent. What's up? Urof second ofrata na monum. Yet one man mamumbe sole yakuma na quest at the end of the day. Youth of Ghana ye muadie. What's up? Ade what you can ofrata? Ajiskano. ena wo kwa kokochi obi a obi ni obi abede fa ho ben obi abe report so obi ni na ba beda mun jai san yo mana moye no ye pamacho na munye ni ehia ebeboa oman no eni mun chirima ufisa mudidi mi a obi edidi amen eti mudidi mi a na ebeba manu mu bia no mabeka ekomudi yen yo ena ekomudi nkofo ntu odidi amen anu nche so obi edidi amen obi abedi obi akwachi na fa ho ben wachi kenu furata ye ni ehia ansa no abe ni efata ya bremo.
After the video came out, a lot of people were bashing the minister that this thing.
May say, Oba, if that guy comes, if they are able to extradite that guy to Ghana to face the full rigors of the law, I'll switch from MPP to NDC.
He said what?
May say, someone the Russian guy in a bar, and I'm betting my life on this one. If they are able to extradite him from Russia to this country, so may face the full rigors of the law, because what he did was a criminal thing. You understand?
Yes.
No problem. I will switch my party from MPP to NDC. In 2020, me talk about my NDC. I am a man can crew. Me na me can. We me come as some keke. Omo timi me hu akwana ba e de na call high court and me and me na na ko shembe 3 years. That day na metena ka say e zu e yeza.
True, my nigga.
Omo di asi dun kitia ba meto man. Omo di fifi kuti ba meto man. Omo di sami jefi ba meto man. Omo di hwan.
Obia.
Mesbel ba meto man.
He said, hey, you don't see anything yet.
But doesn't he know that this country does not extradite their citizens to a different country to be tried? But this is common sense. Eh? Oh, Charlie.
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Media.